Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change your PayPal email address. So if you also want to change your PayPal email address, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open PayPal application. You can see over here PayPal has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Due to security reason, PayPal does not let you record the screen, so it will appear blank, but I'll tell you what to do. You'll be able to see several options over here. At first, you'll be able to see the option for personal info. All you have to do is tap on it. You'll be able to find your account information over here. You'll be able to find the option for email addresses, phone numbers and addresses. All you have to do is tap on your email address. Now at bottom, this kind of option will appear. You can see your email address over here. Right below it, you'll be able to see the option for edit. All you have to do is tap on it. Now from here, you'll be able to change your PayPal email address. Simply erase the existing email address. Now type in the new email address. Now all you have to do is tap on the confirm option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now due to some reason, I'm not being able to update my email address at the moment, but you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you might have to enter your password. After that, an email will be sent to you. All you have to do is open Gmail application, and over there you'll be able to find the option for confirm your email address. All you have to do is tap on it, and after that your email address will be changed. So that is how you change your PayPal email address. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.